viewers want to ask me, I'm okay to address.
First, I have two questions.
Okay.
Before I can talk about the viewers, I have got some few questions.
I've taken overtime now to explain everything. I'm so sorry for that.
No, it's okay. I think people are enjoying, and this will be recorded, so
Yeah.
it will be like a history. People will refer to you like a book, you know. So it's
Yeah.
good. आपने जो
Okay.
प्रेजेंटेशन किया है वो इतना अच्छा है और इतना डिटेल में किया है
Hmm.
about food, nutrition, and changing you know habits of the children and how to do cheating also. वो आपने
Yeah.
तो मैं दो चार चीज मेरा खुद का सवाल है, मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ कि
Yeah.
खाने में खाना जब बनता है
हाँ.
तो प्रेजेंटेशन का कितना इम्पोर्टेंस होता है। जैसे हम खाना पहले हम आँख से खाते हैं, यानी देखते
Yes.
हैं,
Yes.
फिर नाक से सूंघते हैं और फिर मुंह में डालते हैं। तो
Correct.
अगर दिखने में ही अच्छा नहीं है, जैसे बैंगन अच्छा दिखता है लेकिन जब बनता है तो मैं भाग जाता हूँ। तो
Yeah.
अभी मेरे बच्चे को डिफिकल्ट होता था बैंगन खिलाने का।
Correct. Correct.
आई यूज्ड टू मेक पाव भाजी में बैंगन डाल देता था मैं।
Oh.
ओके
Right.
तो
Yeah. So here I would address कि आप जब भी this is like हम बच्चा जब खाना आप टेबल पे रखते हो ना तो पहले आँख से खाता है, फिर वो सूंघता है. You said very correctly that thing. So when you're doing it, we all have good cutlery in our house. So do it in a presentable manner. That is the first thing. Second thing, you can put some garnish in that. Third thing, you wrap it in a different format. जैसे कि मैंने बोला कि मूंग दाल नहीं खाता तो मैंने पाव भाजी में डाल दिया है.
जी
That is the option what I had given. So this way you can wrap it and give them a different cloth. Like you garnish it with coriander leaves, that dal, it will look tasty. Like bangan mein, when you're making it, you put little haldi and put some spring onion ka greens. I'm sure the color will change and it looks good to that. Because it's a green color, yellow color, and the bangan color. So all these will be more appealing. The moment you give more colors to your food, the natural colors, the people and kids are going to adopt it more. So remember the rainbow colors and try to create food that way.
ओके ओके तो खाने में बहुत इम्पोर्टेंस है प्रेजेंटेशन का भी।
Yeah.
तो हर एक पेरेंट्स जो भी खाना बनाते हैं, माँ बाप जो भी खाना बनाता है, अपने घर में शेफ हो, मेड हो, आप खुद बनाते हो, तो आपको
Yes.
प्रेजेंटेशन अच्छा करना है।
Right.
तो वो कुछ भी मुंह में चला जाता है।
Correct.
सही
Correct.
सही बात।
Yeah.
ओके और दूसरा सवाल है, एक एक्टर है माधवन करके, माधवन, उसने मुझे बताया था कि हमको इंग्लिश में बताता है कि he should drink food and eat water.
Yes.
तो उसका मतलब समझाइए आप मुझे।
Yeah, the drink food means what he is trying to say कि you need to eat more of smoothie, because this I have seen in more of the ज्यादातर ना ये actor actresses जो आजकल juice diet ज्यादा करते हैं कि जितना juice यानी जितना वो quantity में हम लोग खाना होता है उतना ही आपको लेना है. एंड दूसरा बात उसका मतलब ये भी हो सकता है कि juice means you have to chew your food properly.
करेक्ट।
No? When you
Correct.
chew, at least each morsel you have to chew for 20 to 25 times. Gandhi ji ने भी यही बताया है. So this is also I wanted to address when you're telling habits of the parents. You yourself take at least 30 seconds. Keep a rule of 30 seconds for each bite. That way your chewing will be more, so that it will become a juicy and that will easily gulp down. So your digestive system doesn't have to work more. So chew properly. Even the juice when you are drinking, keep it in your mouth, one sip for at least 30 seconds. So the mouth digestive or enzymes are entering into it. They are also doing their job, and the stomach digestive organ enzymes doesn't have to work harder. That is why हम लोग को juice ज़्यादा यानी जब खाना जो है वो juice की तरह लेना चाहिए. But आपको I'm clear for that point?
Yeah. No, absolutely.
And drink water means water भी आपको पीना है, वो भी आपको थोड़ा एक एक सिप पीना है. ऐसा नहीं कि दर दर करके आपने पी लिया, because let the mouth enzymes also enter into that sip of water, so which will help for more digestion. So chewing is very important. आजकल बहुत सब लोग भागम दौड़ी में खाना खाते हैं, 5 मिनट में लंच खत्म कर दिया, 10 मिनट में खत्म कर दिया. नहीं, at least give 20-25 minutes to your main 3 meals. So then only your brain will register that hunger and so the next meal you will not be hungry earlier. I mean बहुत जल्दी भूख नहीं लगेगी और आप टूट नहीं पड़ोगे. So you won't be overeat also, and that way your weight is under control. So there the line says कि आपको खाना पीना है और पीना खाना है.
सही.
Yeah.
और एक सवाल है कि हमको कितनी बार दिन में खाना चाहिए. बहुत से डॉक्टर्स अलग अलग बोलते हैं कि आपको ब्रेकफास्ट मिस नहीं करना है, लंच इतने बजे लेना है. तो आई फॉलो रूल ऑफ 717,
अच्छा,
717.
अच्छा, ओके.
तो 7 बजे आपका ब्रेकफास्ट, 1 बजे आपका लंच हो गया और 7 बजे डिनर हो गया. तो 717 मैं फॉलो करता हूँ. तो मैं सही हूँ गलत हूँ?
Yeah, you are right, because your body system is asking you that much only, because everybody's body system is designed differently. जब हम लोग खुद खाते हैं तो बहुत लोगों को आदत है हर 2-2 घंटे में खाना है. वो लोग थोड़ा थोड़ा खाते हैं पर हर 2-2 घंटे में खाते हैं. किसी किसी की पैटर्न है जो दिन में सिर्फ 2 बार ही खाते हैं. नाउ दिस इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग हैज कम, जो हम लोग के जैनिज्म में बोलते हैं बियाशना. जस्ट ईट वंस एंड ट्वाइस लाइक दैट वे, कीप अ गैप ऑफ 16 आवर्स. तो वो भी सही है, आप जो फॉलो कर रहे हो वो भी सही है, बिकॉज योर बॉडी इज यूज टू विद दैट. एंड इफ इट इज नॉट रिएक्टिंग, इफ इट इज, अगर आपको कोई दूसरी तकलीफ नहीं देता है तो आप जो फॉलो कर रहे हो बराबर है.
और आपने फास्टिंग का जिक्र किया, तो फास्टिंग और कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है, नॉट फ्रॉम रिलीजियस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू बट फ्रॉम हेल्थ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. बिकॉज
फ्रॉम हेल्थ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं ना शरीर को मेंटेनेंस चाहिए, हम लोग गाड़ी भी मेंटेनेंस के लिए देते हैं ना
जी,
वैसे एटलीस्ट वंस अ वीक इट यू शुड डू फास्टिंग. If not once, at least once a month, you should do once or twice fasting, or like have fruits only for dinner. If you cannot follow the whole day ka fasting also, do 1 or 2 meals for only fruits and vegetables, because they digest easily and your digestive system will get some rest compared to eating the whole food.
ओके. और एक लेडीज के लिए सवाल है कि उनका और जेंट्स में बहुत फर्क होता है बोन डेंसिटी में. उनके बोन स्ट्रांग होते हैं प्रॉब्ली बिकॉज दे आर मेल एंड डीएनए में ऐसा होता है. बट मैंने देखा है कि ज्यादातर स्त्रियां उनके बोन्स बहुत ब्रिटल हो जाते हैं एट द एज ऑफ 45, 50, 60 में. उनको पैर की तकलीफ ज्यादा होती है एज कम्पेयर टू मेन.
व्हाई दिस इज हैपनिंग? बिकॉज
को क्या करना चाहिए? व्हाट इज द सॉल्यूशन? दे शुड स्टार्ट अभी से. अगर कोई यंग लड़की जैसे ख्याति है हमारे यहाँ पे, उसको क्या खाना चाहिए तो वो आगे जाके बुढ़ापे में उसको तकलीफ ना हो?
3 मेजर सीक्रेट इंग्रेडिएंट आई वुड से. एक तो मैंने तिल बताया था. 1 tablespoon ऑफ तिल यू शुड ईट एवरी डे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वुमेन में ये क्यों रहता है? बिकॉज वी हैव मेंस्ट्रुएशन वेयर द हार्मोनल साइकिल्स इज गेटिंग चेंज. There we are losing lot of calcium. So some food, this 3 ingredient food I could say you should eat every day. 1 tablespoon of til, eat in the form of mukwas, sprinkle in the form of salad, or just eat til chikki. 1 tablespoon flax seeds which you need to eat, and half tablespoon or few leaves of moringa powder. That's saragwa sing is there. Green long ड्रमस्टिक व्हाट इज अवेलेबल. उसके पेड़ का जो पान होता है, वो पान को हम लोग, या तो पाउडर अभी रेडीमेड मिलता है, बट दैट इज वेरी गुड फॉर योर बोन्स, कैल्शियम, वेरी गुड फॉर प्रोटीन एंड वेरी गुड फॉर योर आयरन लेवल. ऑल दिस 3 थिंग्स इज पैक्ड विद दैट. एंड और एक इम्पॉर्टेंट, ये सब आप करोगे पर अगर आप यू आर नॉट टेकिंग सनलाइट or you're not doing any physical activity, आप कितना भी कैल्शियम करेगो, it will not get deposited in your bones. So you need to do. कैल्शियम अकेला अंदर बोन में एंट्री नहीं मारेगा जब तक विटामिन डी यानी सनलाइट और any of the food product, but vegetarian food is very less where it is rich in vitamin D. So then you have to eat either non-veg. So sunlight, vitamin D and some amount of iron is required to enter calcium inside your bone. So that is an entry route. So try to eat this food. That will really help to build your strong bones. And if you're taking milk and milk product, that is also fine, because nowadays we recommend less of milk and milk product compared to before, because nowadays you don't get pure milk. That is why I'm not telling you, but this 3 seeds what I've told you, flax seeds, till seeds, that the gingerly seeds, and this drumstick powder, which are natural. So try to have that, and it is less expensive compared to any of the food.
ओके, आपने बताया कि शुगर इज अ वाइट पॉइजन, विच इज करेक्ट, एंड आई स्ट्रांगली बिलीव इन दैट आल्सो, व्हिच आई हैव
Yeah.
एक्सपीरियंस आल्सो।
Hmm.
तो उससे अच्छा जैगरी कितना अच्छा रहता है बॉडी के लिए? जैगरी हम सब में डाल सकते हैं?
Um,
और एक सवाल साथ में है
hmm.
कि मैनी फैमिलीज, आप
Hmm.
अगर इंडिया में देखोगे तो इंडिया इज अ कंट्री ऑफ स्पाइसेस,
Yes.
एंड वहाँ पे आप साउथ में देखो, नॉर्थ में देखो, या गुजरात में, महाराष्ट्र में, कहीं भी स्टेट में देखो, पिकल्स खाते हैं खाने के साथ में। तो
Yes.
पिकल्स का कितना इम्पोर्टेंस है और जैगरी का उसमें क्या महत्व है?
See, jaggery is like the calorie wise, there is no difference between sugar and jaggery. But yes, jaggery, sugar has zero nutrient compared to jaggery. Jaggery has a good amount of calcium, good amount of iron. If you are eating organic jaggery, if you are making chemical made, then also it is not going to help you out much. And this jaggery, certain sweets like you can make chikki out of it, or certain laddus are jaggeries added. Nowadays, in all the baking, we are adding jaggery powder. So that is a good substitute while compared to sugar. But the portion wise, you have to control. You cannot go on eating cake. If it is jaggeries added, you are going to eat the whole cake, or you're going to eat whole 2-3 laddus in a day. The portion control is important here. Jaggery is good in terms of nutrient value. Now you came for the pickles. So pickle are good if they are homemade, if they are not from the bottle which you are buying from the market, because that is loaded with preservative. But homemade pickles every day, if you are eating little, it is very good in enzymes. The enzymes which is helping to this are like a probiotic. जैसे we are eating a curd which has a live bacteria. Same with the pickle has some kind of bacteria which is helping for our intestine. So little pickle is blessing for each meal is fine. No worries for that.
Okay, thank you. I have other people also. If there is anybody in the audience who wants to question, तो आप सवाल पूछ सकते
I
हैं,
have,
क्योंकि मेरे
I
सवाल तो
have.
बंद नहीं होने वाले।
Yeah.
Actually, on behalf of all women, because Bharat Bhai came up with the women thing, so I just had a question that women, when they are giving birth to a child, like traditionally they are made to eat like all those ghee made, heavy stuff, and eventually they gain actually a lot of weight after their
Hmm.
this birthing period is gone. So actually so much of gluten is needed. I've heard that already our body has so much of gluten, it is not required to this quantity. So what is your view on that?
Gluten means you're asking for the laddus what they are eating it, right?
Yeah, the laddu, I mean everything, they are made to eat ghee wala everything,
Yeah,
gundar
because
and
some amount is required, not like too much, but certain cushion is required because your body has been drained off. So to replenish that, you require that. And don't try to do dieting during when you are breastfeeding your baby, because then you are depriving nutrient, and from your reserve, the food is going into her system, into your baby's system. So that particular time, you eat in a balanced way. You cannot eat too much, you cannot eat too less also, but the balance is the key, which you have to follow that. One laddu a day is fine, one small vati of shira is also fine, along with lots of fruits, vegetables, and different kind of millets, you can use that. And amount of ghee you don't require more, but other food, good amount of food is required more, right? So try to eat that, and that way the balance will be there, and so you will not gain weight, and whatever weight you have gained, you can always work out on that later on, or during that time also, so that will give you a steady
that.
balance.
Hemant uncle has a question. 5 white poison after 40. Milk, sugar, salt, maida. Is it valid? Please elaborate.
Sorry, can you just repeat that again?
5 white poison after
Yeah.
40.
Hmm.
Milk, sugar, salt, maida. So,
Not
is it
after
valid?
40, it is, we call this poison from the day one. So all these is it is, nothing is natural. You think anything is natural? No. This food which has a natural salt, it is enough for our body. So whatever we are adding from top, it is for the taste we are adding, for our taste palette. Maida is also completely no, because it's refined. It has no nutrition except energy. So that is also not required. Same way with sugar, it's a zero nutrients, and it is taking more space of the healthy food when you, instead of giving them, instead of sugar, which is non-healthy food. Then what did you say? Sugar,
So,
salt,
sugar, salt,
salt, maida,
maida,
and
milk.
milk. Milk, our body is made to drink milk only till, the mother's milk, that is till 1 year of age. After that, actually our body system don't require milk till we are drinking the calf milk. It's their part which we are consuming. So it is actually not required. So you can completely avoid. There are so many people I know, they are not drinking milk, but they are still healthy. So it is actually not required. And nowadays, due to commercialization and due to a lot of preservatives and hormonal treatment and this and that, the milk is actually termed to be a poison. So we can see there are early puberty in our children. It is mostly because of this. There are so many hormonal issues are happening in the women. It is because of this product which we are loaded with hormones and we are eating that. So it is disrupting our own hormonal system. So try to avoid that stuff.
Great. A lot of compliments have been received for you. That great tricks. Kids would be motivated, excited to follow. And we all are remembering about vegetable shopping with our mom. Then your sugar cube actually trick was
Yeah.
highly appreciated. That is something very unique way to teach, be it
That.
children or adults.
Hmm.
And your book is really very well researched. We find it very attractive. That's it. So we all are really grateful to you that you have come up with so much of, you have actually packaged the entire food system in front. Like, we
I
have
told you my
learned
book is
about.
like an encyclopedia. When it has come out, I've got that many compliments, like the idea was only for children, but I realized it is for parents also.
It is
So
for
both the people are
everybody.
enjoying.
Forget about
Yes, yes,
parents.
yes.
Uh, in fact, just I'm taking 1 minute more because
Yeah.
we had been in touch with Toral Ben and myself for one of my another video. Actually, her holistic approach about the life, about our digestive system, our body, our thinking, everything making her really special, and I appreciate it with the bottom of my heart. And your book
Thank
is,
you.
according to me, useful for everybody, for anybody, because the way you have connected our traditional approach with the current modern requirements and certain do's and don'ts are really very much unique.
Yeah.
So,
Thank you.
Bharat bhai, I think you can take it forward.
Yeah. Thank you, Bharat Bhai, for giving me this platform and discussing all these tips and knowledge with such a good audience. Thank you so much.
I should thank you, and Soapbox appreciates your presence and your talk and your wisdom and knowledge which you have shared. And we have one of our esteemed doctors also, Dr. Mahendra Bhai Sanghvi, listening to us as well.
Yeah.
He's so much knowledgeable.
Thank you.
He's also there.
Yeah.
And I just want to conclude today's session like we always say that tan तंदुरुस्त, अपना तन अगर तंदुरुस्त है और मन तंदुरुस्त है तो जीवन भी तंदुरुस्त होता है. तो
Correct.
आज तोरल बेन ने हमको जो तोरल मैम बोलूं या जो भी तोरल बेन बोलूं, बिकॉज आई थिंक यू रिजेंबल माय नीस, आई सेड.
Yeah.
उनका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Soapbox Talks really appreciates your presence, and we are delighted to have you, and probably we'll have some other session also. And thank you all the participants who are joining live from India and everywhere. And this Soapbox Talks will be always grateful to you, Toral.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone, for this lovely presence and listening to me patiently. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Bharat Bhai.
It
Yeah.
was
Thanks
a
a lot.
wonderful presentation, and I'm really happy. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
And
Khyati,
thanks.
also for hosting it so well.
Yes, thanks to Khyati.
Yeah.
She is always excited.
Also, I'm grateful for my friend Sejal who has introduced me to you. So thanks, Sejal.
And thanks to Parag Bhai also, because Parag Bhai
Yes.
introduced Sejal to me.
Oh, okay.
Parag Mehta.
Chain reaction.
Right.
Yeah,
Yes,
it is a
yes.
change. That's what Parag Mehta, who handles Divine Consulting, he happened and we started. I spoke to him about this idea about Soapbox. I said, let's start, and that is how it has started. You know.
Yeah.
So thanks to Parag Mehta also, and all other speakers also who have been, like Mahendra Bhai spoke about joy of creation, and Sejal also spoke about happiness. So many speakers. I mean, I can't even take names, because if I take one name, other people will feel that अरे मारू नाम नहीं ली तो मेरा नाम क्यों नहीं लिया. तो मैं सभी का धन्यवाद करता हूँ, और ये जर्नी हमारी चालू रहे, और अच्छे अच्छे स्पीकर आए, और हम सोपबॉक्स को और एक ऊंचाई पे लेके जाए. तो इसी के साथ आज का हम सेशन पूरा करते हैं. एंड थैंक यू वंस अगेन टू एवरीवन. थैंक यू सो
Thank
मच.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah. All of you. Thank you.